Are you tired of the same old coffee routine? Do you crave a versatile coffee maker that can keep up with your ever-changing coffee preferences? If so, the Hamilton Beach FlexBrew Trio coffee maker with its 12-12-cup stainless steel thermal carafe might just be your next best friend in the morning. In this review, we'll uncover how this coffee maker, offering you 3 incredible ways to brew, can elevate your coffee game. The trio of brewing perfection, the Hamilton Beach FlexBrew Trio is aptly named, offering you not 1, not 2, but 3 distinct ways to brew your coffee. It caters to the needs of both single-serve coffee enthusiasts and those who require a full 12-cup pot. No matter your choice, this coffee maker can handle it with ease. Thermal carafe magic. The 12-cup stainless steel thermal carafe is a game-changer. It goes beyond merely keeping your coffee hot. It does so without the need for a heating plate. This is a critical detail because it means your coffee retains its freshly brewed flavor. No more burnt or overcooked coffee, just rich, flavorful brews. Fast and convenient. Every second counts in the morning, and the FlexBrew Trio understands that. It's designed to brew an 8-ounce cup in about 90 seconds. That's lightning fast, ensuring you don't waste precious time waiting for your coffee. No refills needed. One of the most significant conveniences of this coffee maker is the generous 56-ounce water reservoir. With it, you can brew 7 single servings without refilling. Whether you're in a hurry or having guests over, this feature ensures your coffee maker keeps up with your needs. Versatile brewing sizes. Tailoring your coffee to your exact preferences is a breeze with the FlexBrew Trio. If you prefer using pods, you can brew 6, 8, or 10 ounces cups. For those who love the richness of grounds, the machine offers even more flexibility, allowing you to brew 6, 8, 10, 12, or 14-ounce cups. Auto pause and pour. The FlexBrew Trio is a thoughtful coffee maker that prioritizes your convenience. With the auto pause and pour feature, you can pour a cup of coffee before the brewing process finishes. No more waiting impatiently while your coffee brews. Wake up ready to brew. Setting up your morning coffee has never been easier. With easy touch programming, you can have a fresh pot waiting for you when you wake up. The night before, you can program your coffee maker to start brewing at your preferred time. The backlit display ensures you can quickly check the time and settings. BPA-free and safety first. Hamilton Beach places your health and safety at the forefront. The coffee maker and thermal carafe are BPA-free, so you can enjoy your coffee without any concerns about harmful chemicals. In conclusion, the Hamilton Beach FlexBrew Trio coffee maker is an outstanding choice for anyone who cherishes their morning coffee routine. Whether you want a single cup, multiple servings, or a full carafe, it has you covered. With its lightning-fast brewing, easy programming, and incredible thermal carafe, you can say goodbye to rushed mornings and subpar coffee. Say hello to coffee perfection with the FlexBrew Trio. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.